Hello, this is part 17, Dead Decorator. In this video I'm going to show how to create a decorator so that the bot can detect when the enemy is dead and stop shooting. And to do that I created two decorators, BTD enemy dead bot and BTD enemy dead player. This is what they look like, and I modified the behavior tree BT bot. I added this section. This is a test before I made changes to fix the problem. I wanted to show you what the issue is. On the red and the white bot, I disconnected spawn. That's so when the bot dies it won't create a new one. On the BT bot behavior tree, I changed the wait time here to 1.3 seconds. That's the length of the animation. I just wanted it to shoot faster so it would be easier to see the problem. Now I'm going to press play. So it killed the red bot and it's still shooting. So that's the issue. It still keeps shooting even though the bot has died. Double click BT bot, create a new decorator, close this out, rename the decorator. I'm going to name this BTD enemy bot dead. Double click BTD enemy bot dead. Select function, override, perform condition check AI. This is the blueprint. This is enemy in this box. This is 0.0. Then compile and save when you're done. I created another decorator, BTD enemy dead player. It's almost identical to BTD enemy dead bot. The only difference is it has a cast BP player character instead of BP bot base. And double click BTD enemy dead bot. Check inverse condition, compile and save, and do the same thing to BTD enemy dead player. And double click BTD enemy dead bot. Change observer aborts to both. Compile and save. And do the same thing to BTD enemy dead player. Double click behavior tree BT bot. I added this section. This is a decorator BTD enemy dead bot. This should already be set to both. This is a decorator BTD enemy dead player. This should already be set to both. This is a blackboard based condition. Set this to both. this to is set and this to enemy. Move to, set this to 200. This should be set to enemy. Rotate the face BB entry. Set this to enemy. This is BTT, shoot enemy. Weight 1.3. This is a sequence. This is BTT, get random location. Set this to location. Move to, this should be location. And wait is 5 seconds, that's the default. And save and close. Now I'm going to test after I made the changes. So you can see that the white bot stops shooting as soon as the red bot dies. So it's working correctly.